Every day we eat bread. At breakfast, at lunch, and sometimes even at night. But have you ever stopped to think how this soft, fresh bread is made in a huge factory? Today, let's go inside a modern bread factory and see the real journey of bread, from simple flour to the loaf on your table. You might be surprised how much work and technology is behind one piece of bread. Everything starts with raw materials. Big trucks bring fresh wheat flour, sugar, salt, yeast, oil, and water. Before using anything, workers check the quality carefully. Samples are tested to make sure everything is clean, safe, and fresh.
Transferring to the test tube. Samples in, awaiting results.
Only approved materials are sent to production. This is where the real process begins. Now, the ingredients move to giant mixing machines. These mixers are so powerful that they can prepare hundreds of kilos of dough at one time. Flour is added first, then water, yeast, and other ingredients are mixed automatically. The machine starts rotating slowly, then faster, until dry powder turns into soft, elastic dough. This step decides how soft and tasty the bread will be. After mixing, the dough needs rest. It is moved into special rooms where temperature and humidity are controlled. Here, yeast becomes active and releases gas inside the dough. Slowly, the dough starts rising. Tiny bubbles form inside, making it light and fluffy. This natural process gives bread its soft texture. Once the dough is ready, it moves forward for shaping. Large machines cut it into equal pieces. Each piece has the same weight and size. Then rollers gently shape the dough into perfect loaf forms. Everything moves smoothly on conveyor belts without stopping. Thousands of pieces are prepared every hour. Now comes the most exciting part, baking. The shaped dough enters a long tunnel oven. Inside, the temperature is extremely high. As the dough moves forward, it starts rising again. The surface slowly turns golden brown. A crispy crust forms outside, while the inside remains soft. This is where raw dough becomes real bread. After baking, the bread is still very hot. Steam comes out from every loaf, so it is sent to cooling tunnels. Fresh air flows around the bread, bringing the temperature down slowly. Cooling is very important. If bread is packed while hot, it can become soggy and spoil quickly. Only properly cooled bread moves to the next stage. Next is slicing. Loaves enter high-speed slicing machines. Sharp blades cut them into perfectly even slices. Everything happens so fast that it looks like magic, but every cut is precise. This ensures each packet looks neat and professional. After slicing, the bread goes to packaging. Machines wrap it in clean plastic covers. Air is removed, seals are applied. The production date and expiry date are printed clearly. Then packets are packed into cartons. Now the bread is ready for delivery. Cartons are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. From here, trucks carry them to shops and supermarkets. Within hours, fresh bread reaches customers. From factory to shelf, everything happens very quickly. Before leaving the factory, random packets are checked again. Workers inspect texture, smell, and softness. This final check makes sure customers get the best product. So next time you eat bread, remember this journey. From tiny flour particles to soft slices in your hands, from powerful machines to careful human supervision, every loaf carries hard work, science, and precision. Bread may look simple, but making it at this scale is a true example of modern technology. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments which factory process you want to see next. Thanks for watching!